decided to go to the gym today. So yeah, we're gonna see how that go, because your girl little, but she ain't in shape, okay? Like the gym and me, like, nah, that don't go after work. Like my bed and me, now that sounds like a perfect match after 9 hours of work. But I'm going to see how this goes. I'm trying to get on this like weight gain journey or whatever. So like, since I can't gain like fat, like my appetite sucks. It's really bad. So like, I don't eat as much as I should. So like, I gotta find a different way to like gain weight. So I'm like, maybe if I go to the gym and get some muscle, I don't know, start drinking smoothies, eating protein and all that good stuff, it'll help. So if y'all wanna see me day one at the gym, don't know how to use none of the equipment, we gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Back from the gym. I'm tired. I'm sore. And my feet stink. And I'm laying in my bed. So I'm about to cut this, because I got to get in the shower. I'm about to smoke my hookah. I'm about to chill. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm hungry. I'm about to be sore in the morning. Like, I'm dreading this. Like, I'm dreading the morning. I know I'm going to feel like I got hit with a ton of bricks. But if I stay consistent, it'll be better. I'll gain the weight that I want. Okay, y'all, my goal, real quick, is like 150 pounds. Now, right now, I am 121. I've been small all my life. Been small since high school. It's just been a problem for me. Everybody don't have the same problem, but we all have problems. I hate when I say I want to gain weight and people look at me crazy because they want to lose weight. Like, okay, your problem is losing weight. Mine is gaining. Like, stop. Like, don't tell me, oh, when you have kids, you'll gain the weight. Or, oh, it is, oh, I want a booty today. Today. Yesterday. Okay? So stop. Now we got that clear. I want to get to 150 pounds because I've been there before and it looked good on me. Like, I wasn't sloppy with it. I'm 5'5.5", so I'm a good height for that. Like, I'm not gonna look overweight or anything, so I'm gonna make sure I stay toned. Continue going to the gym, so y'all will see more videos. Now, this is not about to be no weekly thing where I'm always at the gym or vlogging at the gym at least, but I will do probably a couple updates here and there about my weight gain journey or whatever. Drop it. You know what that means? That just means end it. So comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All that good stuff. I'm out.